I'd gotten a job during college as a veterinary technician. I really fell in love with that. I was working full-time with my husband, running a small business and being a mom, but I always kept a foot in the door at veterinary medicine. That was my passion. The thought of going back to school seemed completely overwhelming. I think a lot of it was, what will that do to my family, and can I even do it? My application wasn't going to get submitted to any universities until that, summer or fall. Ross sent me, I think, an email saying, "Did you know you could apply for our May semester?" And a week later, I got my acceptance. I was absolutely amazed at the support system. Ross Prep School is within the gates of Ross. Him being a 2-minute walk away from me all day was peace of mind. I feel lucky to have my family here with me. This is a very hard program and a lot of hard work, and it would be even harder without them here. I love being in class and on campus every day. I like getting to know the professors. I like getting to know my classmates. It's just a real family and community here. What I love about this degree is you can do so much with it. You can own your own clinic. I could do rehabilitation work or shelter medicine work. I'm so glad that I've dusted off this dream, and I'm gonna get to make that a reality.